So today guys, we have a Clasico Style Villa here on Sector D. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom with a conservatory and rooftop solarium. Just inside the front gate you have this bit of gravel here and that. This could be all tiled off, and as I pan around you could raise the wall there and the gate and just do another little small terrace here where you can put bistro table and chairs. Now just here you've got the steps with a very decorative balustrade up into this conservatory area. Now this used to be the terrace. They have enclosed it and they have enriched it with extra accommodation. So this is the Clasico. Around the windows and doors and the archway you have these lovely Spanish tiles. The property has blackout blinds and rejas on the windows and insect screens, and on the doorway you also have a dawn to dusk light up there. So let's go inside and I'll show you around. So I've just come in from the conservatory into the living area. The living area is quite spacious, as you can see. It also benefits from insect screens, rejas and blackout blinds. Fitted light above, and just there before the archway you have got aircon. So I'm going to take you through the archways to the bedrooms and the family bathroom. Just in here is a family bedroom. On one end of the bed there you have sockets and switches on either side of the bed for your lampshades. Above you got ceiling light and fan. And as you can see you've got integrated wardrobes and a double wardrobe. Quite a spacious bedroom. Now just straight ahead of course is the bathroom. In here the bathroom is tiled from ceiling to floor. You've got a bidet, WC, your bath, you've got a semi-frosted screen, got a shower attachment just in there. So just here you have your mirror with your lights and of course your sink and pedestal. You've also got your shaving socket by the mirror, and just above the door you have got a socket to put an overhead heater on in winter. So we're going to the next bedroom now. So this is another good size large bedroom. It's a double bedroom. You can put 2 single beds in. You've got a ceiling light and fan, rejas and blackout blinds on the windows. It will take a good sized double bed. And if I come up this end, as you can see, there is a socket and switch behind the bed there. And just there you've got your double wardrobe and overhead storage with your sliding doors. There is an aircon unit there as well that you can benefit from. So do 2 good size large bedrooms there, guys. Back through into this living area again. And these Clasicos are a great starter home or bolt home here in Spain, especially if you're a golfer. So your kitchen, you've got plenty of top and base units. You have an integrated hob and oven, both electric. You've got your sink and drainer over there as well. And if I just pan around, you have top units and base units again with your washing machine, your fridge, freezer and your microwave. Plenty of sockets and switches in the kitchen as well. And just in here is your electric boiler. Okay, so I'm going to take you outside now into the courtyard and we'll have a look around there. You've got your insect screen on the wrecker here. Needs a little TLC, a little bit of paintwork just there. Some lovely tiles here on the floor. This is a nice area in the summer sun just to sit out and have your breakfast. It's nice and shaded. I'll just bring you all the way down and turn around and you can see how big and wide this space is, and you've got an outside light here as well. The light itself is not flickering, it's my camera, guys, okay? So let me take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium. So up here is the terrace. As you can see, there are 2 storage units up here, and those storage units are great for pushing your cushions in for your chairs or your rattan furniture or your lounges. You also got a nice hot tub up here. So this is nice just for relaxing in the summer. Lovely breeze here this morning because it is quite hot out here. So as you can see, lovely views of the mountains further down. So here we are on the rooftop solarium, and you've got your lounges here. You can put your cushions there, you can lie back, have a pina colada and enjoy your hot tub as well up here. You've also got storages on either side, so plenty of room for all your cushions, whatever you want. Just going to pan around for you to let you see that you've got plenty of room up here. Okay. There are some views of the hills in the background there. So let's go back down through the house. So guys, if you're interested in this Clasico Style Villa, do contact info@select2sell2buy.com. Do check our website out, and don't forget, share on your social media, because somebody might just love this property. Imagine sitting out there and looking at the sunset. Absolutely fabulous. Looking at the sun setting, I should say.